Okay, so before any of you guys come for me, you hear this? Yeah, so my fire alarm, my smoke detector is out of whack. In fact, all of the smoke detectors in my house are all of my smoke detectors are out of whack in my house. So during my videos, when you hear that beep, I'm so sorry. It's not my fault. It's a wiring issue, and unless you're gonna come and pay to get it fixed, I don't want to hear no talking about it, okay? It's gonna make my videos annoying because it's pretty loud. I didn't realize it was so loud in my videos, but yeah, it's pretty loud still. I was editing a video today and it's actually piercing, and I can't mute it because then you won't hear me talk, so I have to just allow it. I hope everyone's okay with that. Okay. Hey guys. So these are my locks so far. And then for my first thoughts are, for one, using the Waterwave hair, it's still not as soft as I thought it would be. And I've only gotten this whole side done and my nape done. And last night I started at 10:45 and I didn't go to bed until 5 in the morning. So that was about this is about 6 hours. I'm probably really slow in comparison to a stylist, but I might have to push this and wear these for like the rest of the winter until spring, because the amount of time this is taking, I can't fathom taking them out in just 2 weeks. Arms hurt. It is a little rough. I didn't burn the ends. I used nail adhesive to do the ends. I'm just gonna show you guys my method real quick, and then I'm gonna come back when I am finished. But overall, it's cute. It's getting a little like spring. It's like, I don't know, it has like a little curl to it. But yeah, they're just not that soft. Hopefully they soften over time, because my skin is really sensitive and I don't really want it scratching on my arm like that. So yeah, I still have this whole back section to do too. Yay, lucky me. You can tell I'm tired, right? Never again. For one lock, I'm using one Waterwave extension. I've been using the full length for it all. I've just been cutting it based on how much I need. Oh, excuse me, sorry. I'm just gonna clip these up. I'm 6 hours in, and I have another 6 to go pretty much. So I'm not gonna be done until this evening. Thank God I gave myself 2 days. I always give myself 2 days to do my own hair. But next time I do this, I'm definitely gonna do the crochet version of it. I can't take this, can't. And so yeah. So what I'm gonna do with the one strand is I'm gonna separate it. Make sure you're careful with this step, because it can snag and tangle up. The thing about this hair, this is the same hair I used for my passion twists. It has a habit of matting and knotting within itself. I guess it's just the silkier texture. But any other twisting hair I've ever worked with, like the Marley twist hair, doesn't mat up as much as this hair. So this is just gonna give it the body, so when you're wrapping it, it doesn't look like a twist. It actually looks like wounded hair. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle. You can buy these at the beauty supply store. I got like a pack of like 20 for like 10 bucks there. And sorry, you're gonna stick it through the base of your own hair. I started out with a braid and ended it with a twist. I did not care to keep braiding it all the way down. I like to think in the future, and taking it down is just a pain in the butt when it's a braid. I'd rather just have it as a twist, mostly a twist. I'll let you know what I use to twist my hair. You pull it through. Totally mixed up what I was doing. So I'm just gonna pull one end through. Okay, so one end is through, now you have two. Okay. So now I have, so now I have hair on either side. I personally make sure that the hair that you're wrapping around is either the same length or longer than the length of your braids, because you don't want to end up making it too short. So I'm making mine about this long, and then this is the side I'm going to be wrapping around. So let me zoom in again. So I'm taking the hair that I'm wrapping, and I'm going to go around the base. Not too tight because you don't want too much tension, and just keep using your finger to anchor it. And then you're just going to keep wrapping it down your hair. Do it tightly. It will loosen up after a week or so. But to ensure the longevity of the style, you do want to make it tighter. Trust me, I was in the phase where I was doing them loose on purpose so I can have the instant wavy lock look right off the jump, but it's not gonna work for the longevity of the style, and the style takes way too long to go half-ass with it. So yeah, you're just gonna keep wrapping it. And then when my hair runs out, pretty much, I just get a little looser on the edge, just a little bit, so that way I don't lose the body. But it's gonna naturally taper off at the end. See, I'll show you. Like this, it's gonna naturally get thinner at the ends, which is what you want, because natural dreads, some natural dreads that are freshly trimmed, are thick the whole way through, but my boyfriend's locks, for instance, he's never trimmed them. They're not long enough to trim, so they still taper off on the ends like natural hair. If you want to add body to the part where there's no hair for you, just double up on the wrapping. So once you wrap it around once, wrap it around again over that same piece of synthetic hair. I find that with the goddess locks, the curly ends mat with each other too much, and it's just annoying. So I'm gonna save myself the trouble this time. At the root, and then you're just gonna three strand braid it obviously as tight as you can at the base. Let me tell you, this is such a workout. I didn't sign up for this. Like, I'm over the style and I haven't even finished it yet, but hopefully I'll fall in love with it when I am able to actually appreciate it. And so far, I've used 3 packs. So far I've used 2 packs. I'm gonna do this one shorter. I'm doing this one shorter just to show you what it happens if you what I do if I accidentally run out of the wrapping length. So let me see if I can find her YouTube. This is her YouTube. I'm not subscribed to it because I just came across it yesterday, but she has an easy bohemian lock tutorial, And this is pretty much her method. She's the only one that I saw do it. So I'm giving her the credit for it. So what she says to do is pretty much just add some length. So from this side, from the longer piece, just divide it in half and add it to the the shorter piece, and then start wrapping that original base piece around. Oh. So yeah, so you can use the length to just go down as much as you need to. So So after I reach the bottom, I'm just gonna reverse and then twirl it up just to add some more volume to the base. And then I'm gonna add the lash glue and wrap that around. Find a lash glue with a dropper. Save yourself the time. I feel like I should have checked at the beauty supply store, so yeah, just make sure that the end is nice and secured on the lash glue. Honestly, I did this one too long. This one longer than the rest of the hair. Oh, that's so annoying! So I am popping a little bit of color here and there. I think I'm going to, I don't know, it looks, I think I'm just gonna do the black. I added 2 pieces of color already. I'm gonna change this one because I didn't want to do it right in the front. But the color is really, really pretty. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the 99J color. This would be a good color if your hair is burgundy, a dark burgundy color. But yeah. Yeah, I will be back in about 6 hours or so, hopefully. Right now it is 12:19. So I will see you guys hopefully by 6 o'clock. If not 6 o'clock, I'm gonna pull my teeth out. But yeah, toodles. Hey guys, okay, so I finally finished my hair. I finished it last night, but I was way too tired, so I didn't film it. It took me 13 hours to finish these. So as you can see, they're really nice. They are really nice. But 13 hours for the length that they are, I don't know if I was moving slower because I haven't done protective styles in a long time, but oh, it hurt my arms like you wouldn't even believe. So yeah, this is what they look like. Some of them are still looser because I didn't master the technique until after. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.